Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. In today's video guys, I want to show you how I treat cough at home. Actually my son has not been feeling fine for 2 days. He went to school the other day. The madam called me and told me he was not feeling fine, and I went to pick him up and I discovered he was running temperature and he was really coughing seriously. Yeah, that's very normal because cough can increase make a child's temperature to be very high, even you, an elderly person. So in that case, what I do is I try to reduce his temperature before looking for the solution on how to treat cough. So, and as you can see, I have warm water here, not too hot, warm water. The first thing I'm doing is I'll put a little bit of salt in this warm water guys, and this is going to help treat his neck, because actually his throat, because actually he told me that when he is coughing he's having pains in the throat. So even you, the elder, I know it's difficult for children, but this is the way I used to treat cough, so he is used to it. He's going to gargle it for some minutes, and he will pour it out and see you after that. So he just finished googling that guys. It's going to help him to kill his throat, you know, as when you're coughing, you feel pains in the throat. So that's going to help him. We are still going to go on with warm water guys, and the next thing I'm doing in this case is I will, you know, collect warm water, as you can see right now. And the next thing I'm going to do, you see the quantity, not much. Sorry for my light guys, I can notice it's not really clean. The next thing I do is I'm going to add squeeze lemon, excuse me guys. Yeah, this lemon is I'm going to be adding honey. This is going to help to soften the cough guys, because I notice when he's coughing he's having difficulties in coughing, because the cough is really that's the strong type guys. It's going to help to soften it, and you know, actually when you cough and it's coming out, the cough can really get well faster. So after lemon guys, we are adding in honey, 1 full coffee spoon of honey. This is going to help to soften the cough real well. It's going to help him you know, feel more better, and the throat also to soften it. At least when you are coughing and it's coming out is good. It shows that you are getting better. So he's going to be drinking this guys, and see you after this. So the next thing is garlic guys. As you can see, I got garlics here, so we are going to grate it. The garlic is actually very small, so it's difficult to grind it. So after grinding my garlic, the next thing we are going to be grinding is ginger guys. So the next thing is ginger. Ginger is very good when it comes to cough. You know, a 3 years old child can take this. Yeah, I know why I'm saying that. Somebody would think that it's harsh, but no, because we are still going to be adding in something. So guys, keep watching. So this is the way I treat cough at home, and it's very efficient guys. If you try this, for those of you who knows it, it's very efficient when it comes to treating cough. So this quantity is good because you can take it 2 times. You can actually make a good quantity of it, that's much, and you keep it in the fridge if you want, but you can still make it just the quantity you want for the day, and we all good. So this is the quantity. We mix it together. So we are going to be adding it in honey, guys. You know, ginger is very strong. So I will add a little good quantity of honey. So I am still going to be adding it in more honey. And this 3 spoons of honey, yeah, and this honey is very good because it's natural, guys. So it's I will advise you go for natural honey. Even the 3 spoons of honey is not enough. It's not enough, so I'm still going to add another spoon. Still going to add another spoon of honey. Honey will make it softer, guys, for even a child to, so even a child can take it. So after adding in the honey, this is what we have, guys. This is how it's going to look like. So he's going to be taking 1 full spoon for now, and in the evening he's actually giving 2 full spoons. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, guys, or I hope you've learned something from this. And if you like it, please do give it a thumbs up and share. It can help somebody who knows. Share it to your friends and family, and thank you for always coming back to my channel. And if you're new, guys, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you stay notified whenever I upload any video, so we can stay connected. And if you have another way of treating cough, please do leave it in the comment section below. I'll also be very happy to learn from it. If it is, you know, efficient, I'll also be very happy to learn from it. So this is my own way of treating cough at home, guys, and I promise you, you will love it. I promise you, you love it. When you try it, it's very, very good. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye, guys.